The Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra is gearing up to be one of the most highly anticipated flagship smartphones of the coming year. Recent leaks have revealed comprehensive details about the device, confirming exciting upgrades while also stirring debate about its similarities to its predecessor, the Galaxy S24 Ultra. Let's dive into what makes the Galaxy S25 Ultra stand out and where it stays the same. Specifications. Display. The S25 Ultra will feature a 6.8-inch QHD plus LTPO AMOLED screen with a smooth 120Hz adaptive refresh rate, promising vibrant colors and exceptional clarity. The slight redesign, with rounded edges, adds to user comfort compared to the sharp corners of the S24 Ultra. Performance. Under the hood, the S25 Ultra is powered by the Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset, Qualcomm's most advanced processor, offering enhanced performance and power efficiency. This is paired with up to 16 GB of RAM and storage options up to 1 TB, ensuring seamless multitasking and ample space for media and applications. Cameras. The quad-camera setup includes a 200MP main sensor, 50MP upgraded ultrawide, 50MP telephoto, 3x optical zoom, and a 10MP periscope lens, 5x optical zoom. The front camera remains at 12MP, delivering excellent selfies. While the camera setup largely mirrors the S24 Ultra, the ultra-wide sensor upgrade and advanced processing promise improved image quality. Battery and charging. The phone houses a 5000 mAh battery with 45W fast wired charging and potential support for the Q2 wireless charging standard, which offers magnetic alignment for more efficient power delivery. Software. Running Android 15 with Samsung's One UI 7, the S25 Ultra introduces refined AI features, including a smarter Bixby assistant designed to compete with Apple's AI-powered functionalities. Design and build. The Galaxy S25 Ultra adopts a titanium frame for enhanced durability and a premium feel, paired with Corning Gorilla Glass armor on both sides. The device will retain IP68 water and dust resistance, ensuring resilience in various conditions. New features and debates. One of the standout features is Samsung's rumored Q2 wireless charging with magnetic power profile, MPP, allowing faster and more reliable wireless charging. Additionally, the color lineup includes titanium black, blue, gray, and silver, with blue being the signature shade. However, a leaked image of the blue color sparked debates, with many suggesting it appears more gray. Despite these upgrades, some critics point out that the S25 Ultra shares many features with its predecessor. For instance, the display, battery size, charging speed, and most cameras remain the same. Launch and pricing. The Galaxy S25 Ultra will debut at the Galaxy Unpacked event on January 22, 2025, with sales starting February 7, 2025. Prices are expected to start at $1,299 for the base model, 12GB RAM, 256GB storage, and go up to $1,659 for the top-tier variant. Should you upgrade? If you own a Galaxy S24 Ultra, the upgrades may not feel substantial unless features like the new processor, ultra-wide sensor, and rounded design are must-haves for you. For users with older devices, the S25 Ultra offers a solid mix of innovation and refinement, making it an excellent choice for a premium smartphone experience.